Are you stuck on the trail? Well, not anymore. Today we are installing the highly anticipated, ultra-reliable ARB 10K winch. This powerhouse is built for extreme recovery. So let's get it mounted, look at the features, and talk some trail safety. Installation is incredibly straightforward. It drops directly into the standard feet-forward winch bumpers. Heavy-duty hardware is included in the box. Next, you route your pre-wired color-coded power cables straight to your battery. Zip tie them away from moving parts and high heat areas to prevent chafing. Now let's talk some features. This bad boy packs 10,000 pounds of raw pulling capacity. It features a high output, thermally protected motor that refuses to quit under a load. You get a dual mode controller, use it wirelessly for a clear view of the recovery, or plug it in for guaranteed connection. The lightweight synthetic rope runs smoothly through a premium matte black aluminum fairlead. Power means nothing without safety. ARB has integrated an automatic mechanical brake that holds the full load instantly when you let off the throttle. When operating, always wear recovery gloves. Clear the area, use a winch damper on the line, and stand at a safe distance using the wireless remote. Heavy-duty engineering meets unmatched trail safety. That is the new ARB 10K winch. So subscribe, follow us for more off-road builds, and we'll see you on the trails.